Septic tank baffles damaged or missing can cause serious headaches for your whole system, so it's super important to fix them as soon as possible. Okay, so if you notice your septic tank isn't draining right or there's weird stuff floating around, damaged or missing baffles might be the culprit. First, you gotta locate the baffles. They're usually at the inlet and outlet of your tank and help keep solids from clogging the pipes. If they're broken or gone, solids can escape and mess up your drain field big time. Replacing them isn't rocket science, but definitely not something you want to ignore because it can lead to costly repairs later. Always turn off your water before working on the tank to avoid flooding or accidents. Wear gloves and be careful when opening the tank lid since it can be heavy and the smell is no joke. If you're not comfy doing it yourself, it's cool to call in a pro to handle the replacement. Better safe than sorry. Regularly checking your baffles during your routine septic tank maintenance helps catch problems early and keeps things flowing smooth. One of the biggest mistakes with septic tank baffles is ignoring signs of damage like slow drains or backups. Fixing it late can wreck your drain field and cost way more than a simple baffle replacement. Another common issue is trying to patch broken baffles with makeshift materials instead of replacing them properly, which just causes more damage down the road. Lastly, some folks skip regular inspections thinking their septic tank is fine, but missing routine checks means small problems get huge without warning. Setting a schedule to inspect and clean your tank helps prevent these costly headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for stuff like septic repairs without all the stress. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.